I'm going to guide you on how to change password on Facebook. If you find this useful, please consider to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you guys. Now to get started, you need to log in into your Facebook account, the one that you want to change its password. Now, as you can see, I'm on my Facebook account already. So once you are here, tap on your profile icon on your top right corner. Then tap on the settings icon on the top. Then it will land you here. So you need to go to Meta Account Center. So you need to tap on it. Then you will scroll down a little bit. Then under account settings, you are going to see password and security. Tap on it. Before you change your Facebook password, I recommend you to go under security checks. Tap on where you are logged in. Then tap on your Facebook profile. Then you are going to see the devices which you are logged in. So tap on select devices to log out. Then select the device. Then tap on log out. Then log out. Then OK. Once you have logged out from all the devices which your account has logged in, then you now go back. Then come to change password. So tap on change password. Then tap your Facebook profile. Then you are going to enter your current password. Then you will enter your new password. Then you will retype new password. Then once you have done that, you will be able to change password on your Facebook. So I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I really do appreciate it, guys. Thank you guys for watching and have a nice time.